Hey everybody, it's Haley with the Today in Travel Show. Today we're looking at a connecting room on Freedom of the Seas. This is an ocean view connecting balcony. This is really great for bigger families. Typical balcony layout for Royal Caribbean. The only difference here is you have that connecting door in the middle, which means you only get a chair instead of a couch. The balconies are huge and great. Please let me know in the comments section what you think of this room if you've ever tried it. The connecting room next to it is 6616. This one is 6618. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to check us out on Tuesdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.